In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through the Salesforce interface to merge cases, ensuring your workflow is smooth and streamlined. You'll find these steps invaluable, especially if you're managing multiple cases and need a more organized workspace within Salesforce. Let's start by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface if you're not already familiar with it. This is where you'll initiate all the steps to manage your cases. Next, look for the gear icon that represents settings. It's usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This gear icon is your gateway to customizing how things work within your Salesforce environment. Clicking it reveals a range of settings options that can be tailored to fit your organizational needs. Now, select Open Advanced Setup. This option will give you access to more sophisticated adjustment features within Salesforce. Often, the simple setup doesn't cover all the intricate functionalities available in Salesforce, so the advanced setup is essential for making deeper, more detailed changes. Upon entering the advanced setup area, use the search bar to locate Case Merge. Just type these keywords in. Utilizing the search functionality makes it quicker and easier to find what you need amid the plethora of settings available. Once you've found Case Merge in the search results, click on it. This will direct you to the Case Merge settings page. It's here where you can configure how case mergers happen, a crucial step if you're looking to consolidate similar cases. Proceed by clicking Merge Cases. This is a direct action towards combining cases that are essentially the same or require joint resolution. Merging cases can not only save time but also lessen the chance of redundant work within your team. The next step is choosing the merged case status. This allows you to set the resultant status of your cases after they've been merged. Selecting the appropriate status is important for maintaining clarity on the case's progress and ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your settings, click on Save. It's crucial to remember to save your changes, otherwise your configurations won't take effect. By hitting Save, you're ensuring that all your adjustments to the case merging process are accurately applied. And there we have it. Following these steps will not only enhance your efficiency within Salesforce, but also keep your workflow organized and effective. These tools and settings are designed to make your life easier when it comes to managing a multitude of cases. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Salesforce experience.